Hello everyone! Today's topic is MongoDB Admin Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the MongoDB Admin Training Roadmap. About course. Eligibility criteria. Roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Training program. Now we are discussing about the MongoDB Admin Course. The MongoDB Admin Course is designed to provide database administrators and developers with the skills to manage, configure, and optimize MongoDB databases effectively. This course covers key administrative tasks, ensuring database security, performance, and scalability. The course typically begins with an introduction to MongoDB, covering its architecture, advantages, and installation process. It then moves to database management, where learners explore CRUD operations, indexing, and data modeling. Replication and sharding modules focus on high availability and distributed database setups, teaching replication strategies, and shard key selection. Security is a crucial aspect, and the Security and Authentication module covers user roles, access control, and encryption. Performance tuning and monitoring teaches database optimization using indexing, profiling, and monitoring tools like MongoDB Compass and Ops Manager. The Backup and Recovery module provides strategies to safeguard data using MongoDump, MongoRestore, and snapshots. Additionally, the course delves into deployment and maintenance, focusing on production-ready environments, upgrades, and troubleshooting. Advanced topics like MongoDB Atlas and cloud integration help learners leverage cloud-based MongoDB services. Here are the eligibility criteria for MongoDB Admin Course Basic Database Knowledge. Understanding of databases and SQL concepts is recommended. Familiarity with MongoDB, prior exposure to MongoDB fundamentals is beneficial but not mandatory. Experience in system administration. IT professionals with system administration experience will find the course easier to grasp. Knowledge of Linux, Windows, basic familiarity with operating systems like Linux and Windows is preferred. Understanding of networking concepts. A fundamental grasp of networking and security concepts is advantageous. Experience in scripting. Knowledge of shell scripting or programming languages like Python is helpful but optional. IT professionals and DBAs. Database administrators, system engineers, and IT professionals are ideal candidates for this course. Cloud knowledge, optional. Awareness of cloud computing and deployment of databases in cloud environments is an added advantage. Graduates and students. Students or graduates in computer science, IT, or related fields can take up this course to build a career in database administration. Passion for learning. A strong interest in database administration and hands-on problem-solving skills will help you master MongoDB administration. Next, we discuss the roles and salaries in MongoDB Admin Course. MongoDB Database Administrator, DBA. As a MongoDB DBA, professionals manage the database infrastructure and perform installation, configuration, and maintenance. The average salary ranges from $90,000 to $130,000 annually. MongoDB Administrator, General. General MongoDB administrators focus on the day-to-day management of databases, including backups, updates, and user management. Salary typically ranges from $80,000 to $110,000 per year. Database Engineer, a MongoDB database. Engineer works on implementing and optimizing MongoDB deployments. The average salary is between $95,000 and $130,000 annually. DevOps Engineer with MongoDB expertise. DevOps. Engineers skilled in MongoDB are responsible for deploying and managing MongoDB in cloud environments. Their salary ranges from $100,000 to $140,000 per year. Data Architect. Data architects with MongoDB knowledge design scalable and efficient database solutions. Salaries for this role typically range from $110,000 to $150,000 annually. Database Consultant. A MongoDB database consultant advises on best practices, scalability, and optimization. Their salary can range from $90,000 to $130,000 per year. Systems Engineer. MongoDB focused. Systems engineers specializing in MongoDB focus on infrastructure setup and performance tuning. Their salary ranges from $85,000 to $120,000 annually. Full Stack Developer, MongoDB. Full Stack developers with MongoDB expertise handle both front-end and back-end development using MongoDB as the database solution. Average salary, $95,000 to $130,000 per year. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers complete MongoDB admin training, designed to provide you with the essential skills required to excel in database administration and management. This course covers all key aspects of MongoDB, including installation, configuration, replication, sharding, performance tuning, and security management. Through hands-on, practical experience, you will gain a deep understanding of how MongoDB works and how to manage large-scale databases effectively. As part of the training, you will learn to optimize MongoDB performance, ensure high availability, implement robust backup strategies, and troubleshoot common issues. The GoLogica course prepares you for roles such as MongoDB Administrator, Database Engineer, Cloud Database Administrator, and Data Architect, providing you with the expertise to succeed in these positions. Upon completion, you will receive a certification that demonstrates your MongoDB expertise and enhances your employability. Additionally, GoLogica offers resume building support to highlight your newly acquired skills and interview preparation to help you 24/7 support. The course is designed for flexible, self-paced learning with expert guidance available throughout. With GoLogica MongoDB admin training, you will be fully equipped to handle real-world database management challenges and take the next step in your career in the database administration field.